Hello and welcome to TGI Mondays with me, David Thomson. Today is actually the last day of my TGI takeovers, and I wanted to finish on something that would be memorable, something that would resonate, or something that you wouldn't have to fret about. Alright, look, I promise this. Today isn't all about guitar puns, but today is about something called labeling. Today we're talking about labeling and marketing and how we can use this effectively in our email writing, in our social media marketing, in any of the written content marketing that we do. We need to label people effectively, and here's the reason why. If we don't label people effectively, what they spend their time doing is thinking to themselves, is this for me? And we don't want that. We want people to start reading our marketing, start reading our writing, start reading our content, our copy, and going, oh, this is for me. And let me give you an example. That's why I was playing guitar at the beginning. The example I like to give of this is fellow struggling guitarist with sore fingers still struggling to bar F. Now, if you're a new guitar player, you'll know, or if you've tried to play guitar, you'll know that one of the barriers you need to overcome is starting to use bar chords. And F is usually the first bar chord that people learn. And I struggled with it a lot. Many people I speak to who have taken up guitar have struggled with it. And I know that if I was writing a piece of marketing and it was going out to new guitar players, that's how I would get them hooked. That's how I would make them feel that pain. I would talk about the sore fingers that come before you've built those calluses so that you can slide up and down the neck. And how that frustrating feeling of getting all of those chords sounding beautifully until suddenly you have to bar an F. Now, if you're in that position and you read that headline, you know that this is built specifically for you. You aren't spending a moment of your time thinking, could this be for me? You know that this is for you. What can we be doing in all the marketing we're sending out? Can we be labeling people in the right way so that they are excited to read our copy knowing that it was built specifically for them? It was almost as if it says, this email is all about Dave Thomson, or this email is all about your prospect. We want people engaged in that way. You know that one of the ones we use for our marketing is attention, coaches, consultants, speakers, and trainers. So that any coach, consultant, speaker, or trainer reads this knowing this is created specifically for them. So what can you use in your marketing? How can you label people effectively so they're going, this is for me? So, thank you very much for joining me on this last 6 weeks where I've been doing TGI Mondays. Next week, we're returning to scheduled programming with Peter Thomson, with Dad, sharing more of his tried, tested, and proven ideas in the business world. But I wanted to do one more reminder, and that was on Tuesday, my program, The Automated Client Generation System, is starting. If you're interested and want to join us on the 29th of September for a 3-part live training series, then click that button below and learn more. But for now, thank you very much. I'm sure I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click to watch the next video. Remember to visit our website at peterthomson.com and download your free copy of my latest book, How to Write Your Business Book in 5 days or less. Until next time, every success.